In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho CRM for digital marketing agency. If you are running a digital marketing agency, it helps to shape Zoho CRM so it matches the way you work. That means using labels and screens that your team understands right away. In this section, we will start by customizing the standard modules, and then we will prepare your leads page with new layouts so your workflow stays organized. First, go to Setup. From there, you want to open the area for customization, and then find the option that says Modules and Fields. This is where Zoho lets you rename standard modules to better fit your agency language. Look for the place where you can rename modules, and when you see the standard module names, you will change them so that the module that represents your clients is renamed to Clients. Similarly, rename the module that represents your marketing activity or promotions to Campaigns. This small change matters because it makes the CRM feel familiar to your team. It also reduces confusion when people are scanning lists and dashboards during busy campaign cycles. Once you have completed the module renaming, take a moment to confirm that the changes saved correctly. You do not need to do anything else in that menu yet, but it is a good practice to make sure the updated names show up where you expect them to. Next, go to Leads. This is where you will focus on how information is displayed. For an agency, the lead screen is often the first place where your sales and marketing efforts connect, such as when you capture inquiries from a website, a webinar, or an ad campaign. Enter the Leads area and look for options related to layouts. You are going to create new layouts, which allows you to control which fields your team sees and in what arrangement. Now, create new layouts for leads. When you create a layout, think of it as a tailored view. For example, you may want one layout that supports quick lead review and another that supports deeper qualification. In this instruction, you will create new layouts and then fill them up. Start by choosing the Layout Creation option in the Leads section. Then proceed through the setup prompts so you can begin adding the fields and components you need. After you create a layout, you will fill it up. This means adding the key fields that your agency needs to manage leads efficiently. Take your time here and focus on what you want visible to users. If your team needs to track lead source, campaign association, company details, or lead status, add those fields into the layout. Also consider adding any fields your agency uses to track next steps. When you fill up the layout, you are essentially designing a screen that helps your team move faster and reduce back and forth. As you select fields and arrange them, keep an eye on how the layout looks. You want the important items to appear clearly, without forcing users to search for information. If Zoho gives you the ability to organize sections, use that to group related information together. A clean layout helps your team stay consistent, especially when multiple people work the same pipeline. When you finish adding the fields, review your layout one more time before saving. Make sure the layout contains everything you intended and that it displays in a way your team can understand quickly. After that, save your layout changes so they apply properly in the Leads module. Finally, confirm that your Leads module now shows the new layout options. You can do this by returning to Leads and checking that the layout you configured is available. This verification step is important because it ensures the customization is actually in effect for the users who will be working in the CRM day to day. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.